Hi, I'm Maria Alice B. Anyosa, a fourth-year student taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Filipino. My report is all about the Japanese education system and the American education system. First is Japanese education system is highly centralized and is administered by Mambusho or Ministry of Education. The school system from kindergarten through university serves about 24 million students with about 10% going to the university, about one-third go to the private schools, and the rest are enrolled in the public schools. The Japanese educational system is sometimes seen as a model on how to operate schools. The system gives us a mental picture of obedient, quiet school children sitting on their desks, listening to the teacher and working hard to pass the various entrance examinations. In Japan, education is free and compulsory for children from 6 to 15 years. Classes are large and teaching methods are usually lectures. Japanese students spend 243 days in a year school. The school calendar is year-round with some breaks between sessions. Standards curriculum include Japanese language, social studies, math and science along with art, music, home economics, physical education, with the greatest emphasis on learning the Japanese language. The Japanese educational system is divided into 5 basic levels: kindergarten, elementary school, 6 years, lower secondary school, 3 years, upper secondary school, 3 years, and university usually around 4 years. Elementary school covers 6 years of schooling from grade 1 to grade 6. Most of the teachers are females. Lower secondary school covers grades 7, 8, and 9. Men compose two-thirds of the teachers in this level. Class size average is 38 and the periods are 50 minutes long. Upper secondary schools offer academic, technical, and vocational programs. The first-year courses include Japanese language, English, science, and math. Vocational course includes information processing, navigation, fish farming, ceramics, and business English. The upper secondary school are ranked based on their success in placing graduating students into prestigious universities. The teaching profession in Japan. Japanese teachers are essential elements in the success story of the country. Major responsibilities are entrusted upon the teachers for moral education and character development and for instilling values, attitudes, and living habits in students at all levels. Teachers are expected to infuse cultural values throughout school's activities, including lives both in school or event at home and community. Ever since, teaching has been an attractive profession in terms of status. The appeal of the teaching career has heightened because of increase in remuneration. According to Global Teacher Status Index in 2013, the average of annual salary of teachers in Japanese is equivalent to $43,775 annually, which is second to Singapore. Teaching is one of few lifetime professional career opportunities readily available to women in Japan. 90% of the new teachers have 4-year college degrees, with most having major in other areas than education. They fill up one-third of the opening in the elementary level, two-thirds at the lower secondary level, and nearly 9/10 at the upper secondary level. Becoming employed as a teacher is in Japan. Most of the public school teachers are prefectural employees. Even if they teach in municipal schools, prefectures play an important role in the selection and hiring of teachers. Applicant must secure a license to teach from the prefectural board of education. A license awarded by any prefecture is valid in all prefectures. However, applicant is required to take prefectural appointment examinations. A prefectural appointment examination is given in two stages. First stage consists of written tests in general education and specialized fields and skills tests for PE, music, and arts. All applicants for lower secondary teaching jobs are required to take a test in physical fitness. Second stage consists of interviews. Age is very important consideration for teacher application. More than one half of the prefectures require applicants to be under the age of 30. But once the applicants gain entry to the teaching profession, they are assured of lifetime employment. They are promoted essentially on the basis of seniority as in all public sector and most major private corporation employment. Because of the lifetime employment policy, all prefectural and municipal boards of education are very careful in selecting new teachers. Dismissals are extremely rare and normally occur only for unethical conduct. Teachers are rotated from one school to another within the prefecture on various schedules. United States of America. American educational system has greatly influenced in the Philippine educational system, specifically the making of the Filipino teacher, the coming of the first American teacher called the Thomasites, and the opening of the normal school in different provinces of the country provided a very strong foundation for teacher education. This section will present the current scenario about the teaching profession in United States of America. Basic education, the avenue for teaching jobs in USA. The levels of education in the US are similar to those in other countries including the Philippines. First, pre-primary education. Type of school providing this education are kindergarten, nursery schools, preschool programmers, child daycare centers. Age levels is 4 to 6 years old and the duration is 2 years. Primary education, elementary school, there are varied levels of schooling in primary education. Middle school education consists of grade 4, 6, 4 to 6, 5 to 7, or 6 to 8. Secondary education, high school grades 7 to 12 or 8 to 12. Junior high school grades 7 to 8 or 7 to 9 or 8. Senior high school grades 9 to 12 or 10 to 12. Duration of compulsory education is from entry of 6 years old, exit of 18 years old. Becoming a professional teacher in the USA. Pre-service students who are preparing to teach in any of the above grade levels have to attain a college or a university for 4 years, major or minor in education, and earn a teaching certificate. It is possible to earn a teaching degree after graduation by taking additional courses post-baccalaureate or by entering a Master of Arts in Teaching program. Earning teaching certificates. United States of America has a decentralized educational system and its state's education agency, or SEA, has its own guidelines and requirements for earning and maintaining a teaching certificate. A teaching certificate earned in one state may or may not be recognized in another. There is an increasing practice requiring that prospective teachers demonstrate some minimal level of competency by passing a competency test before they are allowed to enter the profession. This examination is the National Teacher Examination, or NTA, or on Praxis 1 or Praxis 2 written test. Many states now require that teacher also renew their certification by continuing to take renewal credits. Permanent certification is granted if the teacher performs adequately according to the standards established by the state. Recruitment of teachers. After following the successful completion of an application process, a superintendent approves the applicant and then forward a recommendation to the local school board. Once signed, a teacher has a legally binding contract to work unless quietly if a crime fails to show teaching competency or demonstrates egregious professional conduct. He or she is expected to complete teaching during the term of his or her contract with exception for pregnancy, medical leaves, and unforeseen emergencies. Salaries of teachers. The salary range for teachers is determined by education and experience, as by local teachers who have earned master plus 30 doctorate units earn more than those with master's degrees, while teachers with master's degree receive a higher salary than bachelor's degree holder. Merit pay has been adopted by some school districts. Those who teach in suburban school district or large towns typically earn more than teachers in either urban or rural district. Some teachers work at another job during the school year or summer. On the average, according to the Global Teacher Status Report, the average income of teachers is $44,917. What makes a good American teacher? The definition of a good teacher slightly differs among levels. Those working in elementary school seem more child-focused in their discussion and believe that good teacher is a kind person, one who is understanding and sensitive to the needs of children. The secondary school teachers generally consider themselves subject matter specialists. Good teachers have to know how to teach their subject. It is plus F. Students like teacher. Some feels that having a sense of humor and an ability to handle a class increase the likelihood that students would learn, but the teacher's primary responsibility is to teach. Middle school teacher pointed out that many schools are changing from junior high to middle school model because young adolescents still needs the support of family-like concerns. The middle school teachers, therefore, as a team, should be able to give more personal attention to middle school learners.